Hi everybody, it's Julie. I have a new digital kit to show you. This is the Ladies in Hats from the early 1900s, and it is a digital kit. And so let's go ahead and check out what we have. It has over 50 files. So it has 51 files, and it has page files, ephemera files, tag files, side-by-side pages, and at the end of this I'm going to show you a couple of folding things that you can do with the pages that I put together. So we have, this kit features these 6 ladies, so these 6 ladies, and you get them in a variety of ways. So there they are. And then you get them really lightly frosted. You get them with iron and with lace. So, and then you get the chick polka song, or chic polka. So these are journaling cards. These, I went ahead and put these in because they could be pockets or belly bands. And so I thought they were kind of cool. And in case you're making a large journal, you could also use these. Or they could be pages, like half-size pages. Okay, so there's the one that we started with. So I don't have all of the pages here, possibly, but I have most of them. Okay, so here are the side-by-side pages. So you get each of the ladies in their hats side by side. Okay, and that you can just go ahead and fold them either this way or fold them that way and put them in your journals. They are amazing. So then we have frosted side-by-side pages. This one is meant to be folded here. And yeah. So frosted side-by-side pages. And then frosted with 3 on either side, and you could go ahead and have this be a border or even a flip-flop. Okay, so we have some more side-by-side. Here they are with lace. And here they are with iron. And then we have collage pages. There's 1, there's 2, there's the frosted collage page, the variety collage page, and then we have the page where they're all on the top. And what I was thinking with this is you could go ahead and you can go ahead and fold this and have a pocket with all of them on it. Okay, so there's okay, and then we have iron, and we have all of them here. And so with this, I thought we could go ahead and fold it like this. And it doesn't quite fold straight, but go ahead and line up the dot. But they're okay. And if you're putting this into like a traveler's notebook size, the smaller, like a list journal size, you can go ahead and cut that off. if you're in a bigger journal, you can leave that on. You could go ahead and add some washi or another paper there, but that gives you that, which I thought was cool. Okay, so you have the full-size iron paper and this full-size iron paper and this full-size iron paper, just to give you a variety. And then I was playing with these and I decided to go ahead and put them in, and so they were the extra, a couple of the extra pieces. Okay, and then we have the tags. This is my favorite part of this journal kit, is the large tags. I love, love, love the large tags. So you get each of the ladies in a large tag, then you get them frosted in a large tag, then you get iron in a large tag, and you get them, some of them, with the iron and the large tag. And then you also get the small tag page. Okay, and then the last thing that comes with this journal kit, and those I had printed on cardstock, is your mini journal kit. So this is meant to be cut like this and like this, and then you can use these and make a mini journal kit, or you can use these for your journal cards. Okay, so remember that when you are going to make your journal cards, that you can also get journaling cards out of the mini journal kit. So, I mean, these would, I love that. I love that. I think this mini journal kit is my favorite part. So all of the side-by-side pages, all the iron pages and the collage page, and then the collage pages. And on this one, what I did was figuring that you could go ahead, it's upside down, and that's on purpose so that you can go ahead and either have this piece and cut it down here and pull it up, and it can be a pocket behind that collage page, or on this page it can flip up and be a pocket on the other side. So that was upside down on purpose. Here's some more of the tags, and then you get the belly bands, pockets, and the rest of the tags in the small, and the little, oh, look at that. Those make great paper clips. Oh, so awesome. Okay, and then here we have the smaller images. Look at the little tiny tags. And we have this page here too. Okay, so those are them. And then let's go ahead, and I have some of the pages here that we can go ahead. And so we do have the large tags, and one of the things that I like to do with the large tags is print them on copy paper, and especially for those list journals, I think these are amazing. Folded. Okay, so now this can be a flip-flop here, and you can open this. This can be 2 separate pages in the journal, and I just think that that is awesome. So here you can do the same thing. Okay. Okay, so what we're going to do on this one is there's no line. So I'm going to leave the line for the other side. Right? Yeah. We'll leave the line for the other side. And that way we can fold it in. Okay. And let's see, do we have it, the other one? I already showed you the flip up one. So, and of course, you can fold these in a variety of ways as well, including flipping it up and having a pocket on one side. So I think that these are going to be a lot of fun. Even just folding this one in half and making it a page, and then coming in with like that. The frosted border one. This one. And go ahead and put that on there and have a border, or even one of these tags can go on and be a border. I just think that this is going to be a really fun kit to work with, and I cannot wait. So I'll be playing with this during the Beginner's Junk Journal series on Monday and Tuesday of this coming week. Wednesday is the party for the April finishers, so there will be no beginner series video at 4 o'clock, because those that finish their journals in April during the challenge will be at the party. And then on Friday, we're hoping to start the Golden Book. So so watch for that. We'll be playing with this. This is available now in the Dearjuliejulie Etsy shop for 50% off while we're home, safer at home. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I look forward to seeing what you do with the beautiful ladies in hats. I do have a background digital kit coming that goes really well with this. It's pinks and blacks and grays, and so I hope to have that finished and in the shop on Monday, because I plan to work with that with this on Monday. So find something to celebrate every day. If you're here for the premiere, I'm waving hi. Thank you for being here. Happy Sunday, happy week, and I hope you have an amazing day. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell and watch one of these videos, because YouTube really likes that and it really helps my channel. Again, thank you for being here. Thank you for hanging out. Have an amazing day. Bye. Bye-bye.